Oh, you're there? I didn't notice. Anyways, I'm just here to show you this code I made. And already, just by looking at the code, you can tell that I'm a noob. Anyways, let's start. So, in the first three lines of code, there are these three statements saying hash include. The first one saying hash include IO stream, which stands for input and output stream. Hash include CMath, which is for math, basically. And the third one has to include string, which is for string variables and stuff like that. This next line that says int main with these parentheses. What is int? What is main? Well, main is the name of the function, the main function. The main function is a function that automatically runs when you run a C++ project or file, whatever you want to call it. And int is a declaration. Oh my god, I can speak. For a variable. Int stands for integer. So an integer is a number that doesn't have any decimals and stuff like that. So int, you can see that there's another int in there. This is slices. What is slices? This time it's not a function because it doesn't have any parentheses. It's a variable. And you might know that in Scratch, variables can just hold anything and everything without you actually having to give them a type. But in C++, it's way more specific. Anyways, we're gonna talk about that later. So, the function is what's inside of these curly braces. And now, this next line says std double dots and then cout. And then it says a string. std stands for standard and cout stands for console out. And it's an object from the IOStream. We need to include IOStream at the beginning, so it like imports all the functions from that file into your project and can run them. The standard thing at the start is to prevent name conflicts. So if there are two objects that are named cout, then you would know which one you're actually trying to call, right? Because I need something else. So we add a prefix there. That's a standard. That means you're getting cout from standard. The next line is also different. This time it doesn't say cout, but cin. So you might have guessed it already. So cout. Oh wait, I didn't tell you this. Anyway, cout is like a way to output strings or anything into the console so you can see it. And cin is different. You might know what it is already because cin means that you are giving input to the computer to do something with it. In this case, it's putting the input you just gave it to the variable we declared earlier, slices. And now there's another line. It says you got these less than signs, slices, another less than signs, and of pizza. So you might be wondering, what are these less than signs? Well, they are to connect pieces of data. You can see that I put you got a space because spaces just don't add automatically. And then another less than signs, slices, are variable slices, which is a number, an integer. And then another less than